To use the text suggestions available through Microsoft, you want to first go to the Start menu and open Settings. And then if you search Typing Settings and select it, you'll get a variety of options. When I scroll down to the hardware keyboard, I can toggle Show Text Suggestions as I type and autocorrect misspelled words as I type on or off as I need. And then when I go into my Word document or other Microsoft application and start typing, it will give me some suggestions that I can click on as I type.